Today I'm going to walk you through how to protect your real email quickly and easily with Proton mail aliases. Are you tired of giving out your real email and getting spam, or worried about who might sell your data? There's a simple, powerful solution called Proton mail aliases. Now, an alias is a fake email address that forwards all messages directly to your real Proton mail inbox. You can send and receive emails from it, but it shields your actual address. It's a one-way shield for your identity. To create one, you have to go to your Proton mail web settings, and then we check on identity and addresses. So tap on the three lines that is the hamburger menu at the top, and tap on, you can see there's an option for that. So tap on your email address and tap on settings. It will bring you to your dashboard. And from the dashboard, you tap on the menu, which is the hamburger icon at the top left corner, and you can see identity and addresses down here. Tap on it, and this is where you get your aliases. Now, as you can see, unfortunately, I cannot do anything because you have to be a paid user. Yes, you have to have a subscription for you to be able to use it. So, if you subscribe to a Proton Mail paid plan, you can create additional email addresses, also known as aliases, which you can use instead of your free personal email addresses. And all Proton Mail users can create unlimited extra addresses known as aliases by adding plus after your username in one of your free personal email address.